Take a look at this Rainstorm Clean Energy Peach Nectarine. 12 ounce, 355 milliliters. We got 10 calories, 270 milligrams of sodium, 3 total carbohydrates, vitamin A, B3, B12, pantothenic acid, chromium, vitamin C, B6, B7, zinc. There you can see the percentages. Sometimes they show amounts, sometimes they show percentages. It depends on how large the can is. These are daily value percentages, so it's kind of just guessing at what that means. There's the ingredients. Carbonated water, citric acid, sodium citrate, natural flavors, ginseng extract, aspartame, potassium, and sucralose. Again, those are low-calorie sweetener, sugar alternatives. Green tea extract. Yeah, a lot going on here. And then it's got the 200 milligrams of caffeine. Yeah. Got a slight amber color, like a bit of a yellow. See the carbonation, looks fine. It mentioned beta carotene for color. So it should be likely just natural coloring. Oh, it's a big list of stuff, so I have to read through it again. Looks good. There you go. I missed a bunch of their marketing material on the side. Gonna look at that, but it's all of their marketing, so it's not really. Yeah. Anyways, let's do a smell test. It does have a peach smell. Also, some sort of highly engineered smell. Yeah. Anyways, it smells decentish. There's the Rainstorm Peach Nectarine. Let's try it out. Pretty strong flavor to it. The peach is very noticeable, and it tastes decently realistic. I would say that the nectarine is at least some sort of orange, like, yeah, nectarine probably makes sense. I do taste that as well. It tastes pretty decent to me. The sweeteners in here obviously are going to have a specific taste to them themselves. It's potassium and sucralose. And if you're used to just regular sugar, it's going to be different. I'm not a huge fan of these two sweeteners, but you know, I drink them because I do these reviews and such. But yeah, it's okay. It sweetens the drink and then it's low calorie. So, but do your research on those sweeteners to understand what you're drinking. Carbonation now is pretty minimal. So let me try it from the can here. Even from the can, the carbonation's like not intense. So if you prefer drinks that have a ton of carbonation, this probably isn't it. but I still think it would work fine pouring it into a glass and then having ice with it because it has a pretty good amount of flavor. So, yeah. There is a lot of sodium in here, 270 milligram. I mean, a lot for a drink, right? 270 milligrams, 12% of your daily value, yeah, on one 12-ounce can of energy drink. Yeah. Uh, I do think it's noticeable in the drink, but mm, sometimes salt adds flavor or you can taste things more with salt in it. So that's probably part of why it's so intensely flavored. Anyways, I personally think the flavor is pretty nice. The smell is a little off to me, but whatever. It does have a lot of vitamins and minerals in here. 200 milligrams of caffeine, which is going a little bit towards the higher end of caffeine amount, but it's not crazy. Usually 300 milligrams is the point where I'm like, okay, that's excessive, but 200 is still quite a bit. It's just not, encroaching on way too much. Anyways, yeah, it's got the sugar alternative sweeteners. It's kind of the common standard for drinks like this, the sucralose and the aspartame potassium. Other than that, the sodium, again, quite a bit, 12% of your daily value, 270 milligrams. Yeah. Overall, I'd say it's worth checking out if you like energy drinks and you're okay with 200 milligrams of caffeine. The flavor seems decent. And then also if you're okay with those specific sweeteners that they use in this one. But yeah, seems all right to me. That was the Rainstorm Peach Nectarine.